Welcome to CSS Chronicles.
The Great Gatsby. It's a novel written by F. Scott Fitzgerald. It is set in the roaring 20s, capturing the glitz, glamour, and underlying emptiness of the era. The story is narrated by Nick Carraway, a young man who moves to Long Island's North Shore to learn about the bond business. He became friends with his mysterious and wealthy neighbor, J. Gatsby, who is famous for his lavish parties, but remains an enigma to all. Nick learnt that Gatsby is hopelessly in love with Daisy Buchanan. Daisy is Nick's cousin and is married to the wealthy and arrogant Tom Buchanan. Nick came to know that Daisy and Gatsby had a romantic relationship years before. But when Gatsby went to war, Daisy married Tom. Nick discovers that Gatsby's wealth was amassed in an effort to win Daisy back, and the lavish parties were thrown in the hope that Daisy might one day attend. Nick arranges a reunion between Gatsby and Daisy, and they reignite their romance, though it's overshadowed by Tom's suspicions and jealousy. The tension builds to a tragic confrontation between Tom and Gatsby, where Tom exposes Gatsby's involvement in shady business dealings. Daisy chooses to stay with Tom, shattering Gatsby's dreams. The novel's climax occurs when Daisy accidentally kills Myrtle Wilson, Tom's mistress, in a hit-and-run. Gatsby takes the blame, but George Wilson, who is Myrtle's husband, believes Gatsby was her lover and kills Gatsby before taking his own life. In the end, Nick is disillusioned by the moral decay and selfishness around him, and he leaves Long Island after Gatsby's funeral, reflecting on the American dream's hollowness. The Great Gatsby paints a picture of a society obsessed with wealth and status, exposing the moral and social decline beneath the surface of the American dream.